Hello students, this little tutorial is to show you how to get started with the AI as a study resource. This is an optional activity. I'm offering up to 3 bonus points if you follow the instructions and do what I'd like you to do. The goal here is to begin to learn how to use AI to further your conceptual awareness. So to learn and understand concepts and make connections beyond just remembering rules. So ideally, as you advance, I want to see you more start to write your own prompts. But for the first exam, I give you some vocabulary practice prompts, some grammar practice prompts. So you can take this and copy it. Let's see, we'll do some vocabulary practice here. So I can just copy this. I can copy this text here and go to AI. You can use either ChatGPT or you could also use Copilot. UVA has an agreement with Copilot. So I'll copy this in. It's like your upbeat Spanish tutor who wants to help students understand vocabulary. I can also download some of the vocabulary. So look, I'm going to give it some of Contraseña's second chapter vocab. And I could also give it some of the grammar as well. Here I've made a file with the grammar and vocab mixed together. And so I could say, I can replace this, create one set of practice activities with the following vocabulary words. So this is for something we haven't done yet. So you would delete this in the middle and say, using the attached vocab, or you can just copy the list, vocabulary, make at least 8 to 10 sentences, fill in the blank with a word bank. And it says, don't provide the answers until I ask for it, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to delete this again. Maybe I have it in there twice. But anyway, sometimes you got to play with it a little bit, but then I would select this. And it's reading and it's saying, okay, I'm excited to help you, blah, blah, blah. And so I gave it the vocab list and it gave me this, right? So then I would fill in the answers and then, that would be round 1. For each prompt that you engage with or each topic that you engage with, you must engage with it for at least 3 rounds. So I repeat, to get 1 point, you must do at least 3 rounds of 8 to 10 practice problems with a particular set of vocabulary and a particular set of grammar or whatever you're doing, right? And so I will, to show that I've done the work, I'm interested in your, you can do screenshots of this or you can copy the text. So you would copy this, even your prompt. That's actually what I'm most concerned with or interested in, especially if you're writing your own prompts. So I would copy this information here. And of course, you would have more to copy, and I would put it here on Contraseña, on Digication. So let's see, rich text, but you could also do a screenshot works. So I'm going to make this bigger here, and boom, I'm going to put this in here. Right. And then I would go back and also do the prompt, especially if you're editing the prompts, which I'm hoping that you start to do. So I would also add this here in my text here. So I would put this at the top. Boom. Okay. And I would do that. That would be 2 more times of screenshots or copying the text. So this is 1/3 of 1 point is basically what this is once I fill in the answers. So I repeat, to get 1 point, you must engage with a prompt at least 3 times doing 8 to 10 practice problems. So to get all of them, there would be that times 3, right? And I know everyone might not have the time for everything. That's fine. This is optional. It's up to 3 points if you do that. All right, guys, good luck and have a good day.